Hi guys, it's Mrs. Cameron here. We are looking at CLT practice test number 3. We left off at question number 97, which says if AB equals AD, so AB is 12, then AD is also 12. What is the area of the isosceles trapezoid? So isosceles trapezoid. So we can see that the shape of the big figure is a trapezoid, and isosceles means that if this side is 13, then this side over here, line segment AE is 13, then line segment BC is also 13, and we can cut this here for another 90-degree angle. So to find the area of our trapezoid, we can take the area of each little piece. So we've got this triangle, this 12 by 12 would be a square, and this triangle over here will have an equal area to this triangle on this side. So we can take our area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 to give us the combined area of our whole entire trapezoid. Area 2, area 3. And if you look on your reference sheet, if you need it, the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's for both of these. 1/2 base times height. It doesn't matter if that half is inside or outside of the parentheses. We still get to the same place. And then our area of a square is just side squared. And everything's given in inches. So our area of our square in the middle is 12 squared, which is 144 square inches. And now our area here, we have our height is 12, but we need the length of our base. So we have A, B, C, right? A right triangle with a missing side. What do we use? The Pythagorean theorem, which says a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse, which is the side across from the 90-degree angle. So that's 13 squared, and b is 12 squared, a squared. And then I said when we were starting this that you want to make sure you have your perfect squares memorized. And 12 squared again is 144 equals 13 squared, 169. And solve for a. This will give us a squared equals 9 minus 4 is 5, and 6 minus 4 is 2, so a is 5. So we can plug that back into our formula. 1/2 times 5 times 12, because our base A is 5 and our height of our triangle is 12. And 5 times 12 is 60. Half of 60 is 30. And these will be the same. And 144 plus 60 is 204. Our correct answer is C. And then moving forward to question number 98. Trapezoid ABCD is similar to trapezoid PQRS. What is the perimeter of trapezoid PQRS? Note all values are given in units. The figures are not necessarily drawn to scale. And our key word here, perimeter. This is another thing that we wrote on our reference sheet in class. Our perimeter is just telling us to add up all the sides. So if across here is 15, right? To find out what PQ is, we're going to set up a ratio of 4 to 12 equals to how much to 15? And 4 and 12 can both be divided by 4. So our ratio really here is 1 to 3. And 3 can turn to 15 by multiplying by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. So these 4s are 5s. And our 8/12 for BC is 8 and AD is 12 with a proportion to QR to PS is 15. Again, both of those can be divided by 4, and that's 2/3. And again, we're multiplying by 5. 2 times 5, 10. And now we just add them up. 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 will be 35. And next, question number 99. Which of the following is the missing term in the geometric sequence below? 7/4. And since this is a fraction and this is a fraction and all my answer choices are fractions, I'm going to look at my 1 as 1/1. And now we've got our missing. And then we've got 16/49. And what can we multiply 7/4 by to give us 1/1? I think is what this looks like. And so if I multiplied 7/4 times 4/7, I have 1/1. And if I have 1/1 and I multiply it by 4/7, then I have 4/7 times 4/7 again. 4 times 4 is 16, 7 times 7, 49. So our missing term is what we're multiplying by is 4/7. That is our correct answer. And then next, question number 100. A new juice shop offers a special juice mix that consists of any 2 of the following juices: carrot juice, celery juice, apple juice, and pear juice. How many possible combinations can the shop make for this special juice mix? Note, assume 2 portions of the same juice do not constitute a mix. So you have juice 1, 2, 3, and 4, putting them in combination. So juice 1, carrot, can go with 2, 3, or 4. And then juice 2 has already gone with 1, so it can only go with 3 and 4. And then juice 3 can go with juice 4, but it's already gone with juice 2 and juice 1. And then that's it. So we have 6 possible combinations. And that's it for question number 100. And now we have question number 101. Says one integer in a list of 51 non-consecutive integers is replaced by a different integer. Which of the following properties of the new list must be different from the original? So you've got to, right, you're working on your mean, median, mode, and range. Perfect little sixth grade math question. And you've got your list of 51 different numbers. Must the range change if you take one number out and put in a new number? Maybe, but not must. Must the average change? If you're taking out an integer and replacing it by a different integer, even if it only changes a little bit, it must change. And the median, the number in the middle, it might stay the same, or it might change. This is another maybe. So our answer for what must change is only number 2, only the average. And if you notice on CLT, they do this a lot where they give you these options and they want to know what's true. And a lot of times it's the one that's only one thing. That's the answer. If you look at these practice tests, oftentimes that is the case. And then real quick, question number 102 says, which of the following is equivalent to the expression sine x secant x over sine squared x plus cosine squared x? Well, immediately, if you look on your reference sheet, you can see that this bottom sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So we're only looking at sine x times secant x. And again, if you look on your reference sheet, secant x equals 1 over cosine of x. So this equals to sine of x, sine times 1 over cosine of x, which is your tangent of x. And I think I still have time. Nope, I'm running short on time for the next one. So I'm going to cut it here and I will see you on the next video.